lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DC, and in today's video we are going to do something different today. We are going to enlarge our breast, or let's say firm our breast. Yes, how to have a firm boobs. We are going to use fenugreek, extra virgin olive oil, and then shea butter, original one. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and transfer my shea butter. That's the original one, which looks like pale. It's really pale or white in color. So I'm going to add this to it. If you have small boobs or you want to have a firm breast, not falling all that much, after birth, and also obesity are all causes of falling breasts. Alright, so I'm going ahead to add my extra virgin olive oil, which is very good for the skin and also helps firm the breast. So I'm going to add the fenugreek powder to it. So I'm not all that going to measure. I'm going to add this to it. Then at this stage I'm going to allow it to boil. Let's say do the double boiler method using warm water. Alright, so okay guys, so I've allowed my shea butter to melt down, and this is the result that I get. So you store this in a cool warm place, allow it to cool down, apply this morning and afternoon after you've taken your shower, then you put on your bra. So that's how you apply it around the breast, under the breast. Please don't include the tip or the nipple. No, just around the breast, towards your chest a little, then you are free to go. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and press the bell.